Hey, it's Jason Coleman. Welcome to my very first podcast. I'm going to quadruple down on my marketing efforts with social media. And I think podcasting is going to be one of those important pieces. Now, if you're not already doing videos or audio with podcasting, let me tell you why I think podcasting is going to become super relevant here in the very near future. So we already have these Alexas and Smexas and whatever, and we have Google on our smartphones. And I don't know if you've ever used your smartphone and said, hey, who's the best loan officer? And Google comes back and says, well, Jason Coleman, of course. Well, there you go. You always get the best answers out of Google. So that's why I think voice-activated searches are going to become super relevant. You're going to be saying, hey, find me a real estate agent, find me a loan officer, find me a locksmith, order me some groceries here within the next 18 months. This is the real deal. This is what's going to be happening. So I figure if I'm doing all these videos with social media, that podcasting has got to become one of the relevant pieces of marketing that we're all doing these days. So I don't care what business you're in, if you're not starting a podcast, you might be missing the boat right now. And I don't care how many podcasts are out there, I think it's super relevant to just start today. So here I am starting my very first podcast. I'm going to be having some guests here. As you can see, I'm a lonely podcaster today. And I have this empty microphone here just waiting for some guests. And I'm hoping maybe you guys would want to be my guest on my podcast and some of my videos in the near future. So if you're interested in joining me on one of my podcasts, please leave me a message down below or private message me, and we'll go over some different topics about your business and how we can incorporate that into my podcast. And you can share it with your friends, and we can all become super popular. Isn't that cool? So hey, I appreciate you listening and tuning in to the very first podcast. I hope to inspire, I hope to educate and give you some value throughout the journey. And if you have any questions, or if you have a relevant topic that you'd like me to talk about, please leave your comments or message me, and I'll try and get to it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.